Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a no makeup look. Someone requested this on my last video, and of course whatever you guys request I will do. So I hope you guys enjoy this no makeup look. It's very simple, very easy, not a lot of products, but you get this nice glowy makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, if you guys want to see my no makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, love, so let's get started with this no makeup look. This video was requested, so of course anything that you guys request I will definitely do for you guys. So for those days that I don't want to wear like heavy makeup, I usually just put concealer, spot conceal all over my face that I feel like I need to cover up some acne marks and stuff like that. And since I've been breaking out, I do have some acne spots from the pimples that were there before, so I definitely have to use some type of concealer to help me cover that up. So first things first, I'm gonna prime my face. I love to have a very glowy skin underneath, just because I am just going in with concealer, and concealer does not give you that glow that you need. So I definitely go in with two primers. I use this one, I've been using this one. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer, and this is their Dewy one, and this is tinted. It has like a very skin tone tint to it, if you can focus. So yeah, it has a very nice skin tint to it, so that's very nice about it. And then I'm also going to use the Becca First Light Priming Filter. Like, I love this primer right here. It just makes you so glowy. So these two together are just going to make the perfect glow, like perfect. So I'm going to go in with this one first from Wet n Wild. Oh my god, I think I put too much. Okay, here we go. So it does have a tint to it. I think I applied way too much on my hands, but we're gonna work with it. So you guys can see, like, it gives you a very beautiful glow, but it has a tint to it for some reason. I've never seen that before, but it's alright. I've been trying this out because you guys know, like, the L'Oreal Infallible primer is like my go-to primer. I love that primer. It's just so good. So yeah, so I'm just gonna use this one, and you guys can see, like, look at how it left my skin. It just left it so glowy. So I love that. And then next I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Becca Light Priming Filter primer. I always forget the name of it because it's just so long. So I just put a little dot, and I'm just gonna apply this on the skin. I'm telling you guys, when I go for the no makeup look, I usually just do very dewy primers and then just go in with concealer, and like that's basically it. Like, I didn't even do my eyebrows. I have to do my eyebrows because I'm going to show you guys how I do them, since I never like show you guys when I do my eyebrows, because my eyebrow routine has not changed since I first started my videos. So the first two things that I love to use for my eyebrows is, this one is from Milani. This is their brow gel, and this is in the shade soft brown. And then this is the L'Oreal Brow Definer. This is my go-to pencil to fill in my eyebrows. This is like my absolute favorite. So I'm gonna zoom in for you guys so you guys can see me doing my eyebrows. Okay, so now that we're up and close and personal, I'm gonna go in with the brow gel. So that's the first thing that I do, is just go in with the brow gel, and I just brush my hairs up, get it ready for the L'Oreal pencil to fill them in. So I just go like this. I just brush all the hairs up. And guys, like, my eyebrows have been a struggle because I had thread them. I think it was in Chicago, or New York, that I threaded my eyebrows, and the lady threaded them too skinny, and I do not like very skinny eyebrows. Like, to me it doesn't go with my face. So I was like so mad. I had to let them grow. They're finally a little bit more on the thicker side, but to me, I just don't like skinny eyebrows. It's just, for me, it doesn't go with my face. So I'm gonna go in with the brow definer, and I'm just going to lightly fill in. Okay, love, so I am done with the eyebrows. I filled them in, all done with the eyebrows. So next, let's go into concealer. So the concealer that I like to use for my face when I'm not gonna wear foundation is the Tarte Shape Tape. This is my absolute favorite concealer to use for those days that I don't want to wear like heavy makeup, and just spot conceal on the face so it can look very clear, because I don't have like 100% clear skin. Like, it may look it on the camera, but I do not. Like, I have some acne spots down here. They're going away, but I don't have clear skin, so I have to go in with concealer, and I'm going to use this one, and this is in the shade medium. So I'm just going to apply this on the skin, and you guys can see, like, I'm just going to apply little stripes, because you don't need a lot of this concealer. Like, you really don't. So I'm just gonna apply on my nose and right here, like that. And then I'm gonna go in with, oh god, I'm gonna go in with my Real Technique brush, and this is the Expert Face Brush. This is my absolute favorite brush to like blend out foundation or anything on the face that is liquid. So I'm just gonna go in with this and just blend this out. A little bit of concealer. I'm going to be using this one from ColourPop. This is no filter concealer, and this is in the shade medium 30. So I'm going to apply some of this under the eyes, and I'm just going to apply this very little. Now, this concealer does not have very heavy coverage, so if you don't like very light coverage, you're definitely not going to like this concealer. But I like it for the days that I don't want to wear like heavy concealers. I definitely like to wear this one. And this one does oxidize, so you definitely have to be careful with picking shades, because the first time that I picked this up, I picked up the shade Tan, because I thought that, you know, it was going to be like the right shade for the under eyes, and girl, that thing oxidized under my eyes. It was so bad. I was like, no, I cannot have that. Like, I like to have a little bit of a light under eye, and then, you know, set it with some powder and make it look more highlighted. But no, that thing was so dark, it oxidized on me, and it was just so bad. Like, I did not like it at all. But once I changed the color, I liked it afterwards. It was good. So yeah, so I blended out the concealer. I'm just gonna go in with my Equal Tools sponge and just blend out some more with my Pro Fusion palette, my absolute favorite palette to this day since I bought it. I'm gonna go in with the banana shade right here, and I'm just gonna use this to set the under eyes, just so I don't crease during the day. So definitely want to make sure you set the under eyes. So I've been trying out this new, well, it's not new, but it's new to me, this Maybelline Lash Discovery Mini Brush Mascara. I heard so much good things about this. I heard Kathleen Lights talking about it, that is so good for the under eye lash line. I was like, yes, I need something for my lower lash line, because my lashes on the lower lash line is just so small. Like, I can't even like get the mascara in there. So for the top lashes, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. So that's what I do for the eyes. And then for the face, the only thing I'm going to apply on my face is a little bit of blush, and I'm gonna go in with this one. This is the Benefit Living the California Dream blush, my absolute favorite. So just to give me like a flush of color to my skin, I love to use this blush. the highest points of my face. I am gonna go back into this palette and use the highlights. So I'm just gonna take this Vanity Planet fan brush and just dip into the highlights and just highlight the face. Guys, you have to pick this up. This palette is just so bomb. Okay, so last thing I'm gonna go in is with lips. Now I usually go in with a nude or a gloss, but today I'm gonna use the lip liner from Huda Beauty. This is in the shade Transetter, and then I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia lipstick in the shade Honey. Like, these two combos are my absolute favorite. Now I also love to use the shade London from NYX. Like, that's my absolute go-to, but today I wanted to change it up a little bit and show you guys another lip combo that I love to use for the days that I want to wear like a nude lipstick, and like since I'm not wearing like heavy makeup, I want to have like a very nice nude lip. So I'm gonna go in with these two, and I absolutely love this lip liner. It's just so good and creamy. Okay, love, so I am back and this is the finished completed look. Let me know what you guys think down below. I hope you guys all enjoyed this no makeup tutorial. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, loves.